Okay, what we're looking at is the MoonCool TK-1. And just above the house is, guess what? It's the moon. Let's see if we can zoom in on it. Yeah, I'm Lighthouse, I'm home. We're looking at the Soul Saver, that's what I call it. MoonCool TK-1 Fold E-Trike. She has good headlights. I like the lights on it. You can see the brakes are on. Let's put on the blinker. This is the computer. I want to see that first. There we go. Fully charged. I want to put the blinkers on. We'll put the right one on first, so you can see it. That's what it looks like. And now let's put the left one on. And take a look at it. That looks good. Oh yeah. If you maintain and know what you're doing with this trike, you can't go wrong, and the price is cheap. It's good. It's a good price. And I'm glad I chose this bike. I recommend it. I'm Lighthouse, and I'm out. Take care, everybody.